Hello everyone, Shamid Ansari is here. Welcome to a new video. It is requested to please subscribe my channel. It was a very heavy storm. You can watch in a mini screen that it was a very heavy storm which damaged the many trees. You can see the bushes of trees are all around. It was about 1 hour long and it frightened everyone because it was very scary. You can see in the mini screen. This heavy storm drawn all the road. You can watch this road is drawn in rainy water or storm water, which almost blocked the road. The traffic is moving, but it's almost blocked.
ਉਹ
Rainy
ਇੱਕ ਦਫਾ
water is
ਬਹੁਤ ਥੱਲੇ
all
ਡਿੱਗਾ
around.
ਪਾਣੀ
It's packed the
ਡਿਸਪੋਜ਼ਲ ਤੇ
street, the road. It is near to 1 feet in depth from the sides, or maybe about 3 to 4 inches from the middle of the road. It created a huge ponding, and which is making hurdles for traffic and pedestrians. Now we have to remove the lid of these manholes, the sewer line which is made for to remove this rainy water. We are going to remove that manhole covers so that the storm water can easily go into the manholes and
ਢੱਕਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ
remove
ਹੋਇਆ
this ponding.
ਢੱਕਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕੁੰਡੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਹ ਚੱਕ ਯਾਰ ਢੱਕਣ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਢੱਕਣ ਢੱਕਣ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਚੱਕ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਆ ਢੱਕਣਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ
Now the staff will remove the cover of this manhole for the removal of this storm water. It is fully drawn in water, so it is difficult for the staff to find where it is the manhole.
ਆ ਦੇਖ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਵਾ ਜਾਲੀ
I guess he
ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ ਵਾ
found the cover. Now he is removing. It is hard to remove the manhole cover when there is a huge pressure of water on the surface of manhole cover.
चल दे पलटा
The cover is not fully removed, but it's only tilt so that any pedestrians or a biker would not have been fall in this manhole. The water is in huge in quantity, that is why isn't any big whirlpool. For now it's a tiny whirlpool, but as time goes, the quantity of water will decrease little bit. The whirlpool, the size of the whirlpool will increase. There is some accumulation of water at the other side of the road. Here is also a manhole which is specially made for the removal of this rainy water. Now is removing that cover so rainy water can go from this manhole.
ला खा जरा
It's removed. Now the rainy water is going from this manhole.
ਇੱਧਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਸੁਰਾਖ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰ ਦੇ
There is also a huge quantity of rainy water. You can watch the road also drawn in water. This is the other side of road. Both pumps are working at its full capacity. One is 4 cubic and the other one is 2 cubic local made. One is working on diesel while the other one is working on electricity. So if there is an electricity failure or electricity shutdown, the the pump which is working on diesel will continue is working. So there is no hurdle for the removal of this water. Both pumps are working smoothly. Let's see what is the condition of the water. I can see from here the whirlpool is increasing. The size of whirlpool is increasing as the time goes. Now the water is going
ਇਹ ਹਟਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ
with a good speed.
ਇਹ ਹਟਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ
ਹਟਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੋਟਰਸਾਈਕਲ ਵਾਲਾ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਉੱਧਰ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ
It is decreasing the level of water.
ਇਹ ਹਟਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਭੈਣ ਚੋ
ਇਹ ਹਟਿਆ ਤੇ ਕੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਵੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਟੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਇਹ ਕੱਟਾ ਯਾਰ ਸਾਫ ਆਇਆ
Some portion of the road is clear. Now is moving cover little bit wider so the hurdles of draining can be removed.
ਆਹ ਤੇ ਡੈਮ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਪਾਲਾ
Now it's a very less quantity of water. It's almost about to vanish. Now we can watch the top of the manhole. It means there is very less quantity of water right now and it's going into the sewer line with a significant speed.
ਉਹ ਲਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਣੇ ਆ ਲਾ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ।
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਉੱਤੇ ਢੱਕਣ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ
Removal of some floating materials. Water level in manhole is now decreasing, so there is a free fall for the rainy water which is on the road.
Yeah.
how the shape of the falling water is changed. It's a beautiful. Is also a point from where the water can go. Now is removing blockage from there, so the water which is still there at the very right side of the road can go back into the manhole. This structure is also connected with that manhole. Road is clear now. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.